Alrighty, Ronnie, here's your 427 small block Ford. Your description is a combination. Obviously, it's Borla, all blocked out, beautiful. Got the Cobra Chevy valve cover signature, nice units. Got a custom grind hydraulic roller. Got AFR cylinder heads on it. Front end on, make sure the alternator charges. Front sump oil pan. Go in there, make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,600, 448 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 518, peaks horsepower 569. So got a front end on it, so everything's great. What we'll do next, pull the pipes back, make sure the exhaust's good and clean for you, and I'm going to show you one other thing. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, you find this thing looks like a credit card, it's a USB card full of technical information. It's got your engine pictures, engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff. Highly recommend plug it in and watch it. Any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have some other specifications on it, but that engine number is really, if you need anything from us, is the easiest way for us to look up that information. So make sure to hold on to that and have a great day.